Okay, this one. Oh, okay, okay. Let me go back. Okay, click the three. This one, and then edit. Okay, I'm in. Okay, okay. So I okay. So I click on create new attend email. Okay. I have like a draft here. Okay. The should I delete this one? Okay. Ha- Oh, like the same as. Oh, how do you do that? Mm, this this one is insert image. This one is okay. Oh, insert number is okay. Oh, like what sentences I should copy here? Like from the first email? Oh, oh, okay, 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 okay. The internet is slow. And then this one. Then this one. The first. Thi- should I copy this one? Okay. Oh, it's gonna be a different font. It should be the same font as this one. Oh, they're not the same. Okay, now it's the same. Okay, it's the same now. Gloria, they're the same font. Let me just turn off the video because the internet is slow. Gloria, I just turned off the internet. I mean the video because my internet is slow. Okay, so it's already the same font. Hi, Isaiah. Isaiah or Jaja? Jaja. Oh, okay. So is this good? And then I put this link. Okay. Okay, okay. And then, is that okay? No, it didn't. Is that all good? It didn't even like highlight it or something. Maybe I can send a test to your email. This one? Okay, info. Okay, it sent a text. I mean an email. I sent it on info at 7 Korea. So it's not okay. So maybe we have to get it out from. There should be like a. Okay, we have to put it in a maybe Word document, and then it has to have a hyperlink from there. Can't insert it. Let me see. We get this one. We'll put here more, and then maybe here more, and then this one. Okay, that is. Oh, why is this there? It's like underscore. Okay, there's that. Yeah, try it again. Oh, why is this not doing it now? Oh my god, this one it doesn't change the font again. What is the font? Arial. This one is should be this one is size. This one. Oh, okay. That's it. Okay, it's good to go. I think this one is good to go already. Let me send a test again. Let me see. Okay, I sent another test email. Hi, Isaiah. Oh, okay. Okay. Maybe like maybe 10 or oh, I don't know what like it's a little bit smaller or it's like it's very small. Maybe 12. Okay. Like this one? Okay. 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 The test email is sent. Okay. So I go here like schedule it when? Like maybe tomorrow or today? Tomorrow morning. Okay. What is tomorrow? Let me open this one. Tomorrow. Is it on the 5th? Oh no, it's not on the 5th. Oh, Friday, okay. 6 a.m. 6 a.m. Oh, this one is in Aish, Manila time zone, so I'm gonna schedule it on 6 p.m. then. Oh, okay. Uh, today is like what today? September 5. But I schedule it on September 6, 6 p.m. Philippine time. It will go out, no, Friday 6 a.m. US time. Today is Thursday. Th- yeah, Thursday night. Yes, yes. So it will be morning your time. Uh, is this good? Friday 6 p.m. my time, so that it would be Friday 6 a.m. your time? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna save this one. Okay, so it's already saved. Okay, now for the MailChimp, I should go to SMS. Go to SMS and then, oh, it doesn't have. I need to upgrade. So I should go. I go to I go to create. Okay. So I just. Oh, okay. So I create. Okay. 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 So like two. So I have to add. Okay. Then yes, I have. So do I have to click this one or no? Oh, personalized send to. So when you say personalized, it would be their name. Oh, so it's okay not to do that a personalized one. Oh, okay. So first name. Okay. Save. And then from is okay. This one is correct. The subject would be like uh this one. Oh, okay. Get ready, but this one, the get ready is from the old family cookout. So maybe we could change the date. So this one we will use. Okay, and then I will just change it to September 14th. Oh, join, join. That one, is that okay? Okay, so let me see. And time. So uh, we send it. Okay, okay, no problem. Oh, it's okay, no problem. Okay, I'm just I'm here. Can you hear me? Oh, I'm sorry, I was muted. Okay. Can you see my screen? Okay, so we schedule it maybe for Saturday or okay, Saturday. Okay. No, what specific time? Like maybe 10 a.m. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Yes, okay. Let me save it. And then, oh, okay. Where is that? Oh, okay. Design email. Hmm, maybe this one. Oh, okay. This one is like my email. Here it is. Why is this enter? Okay. Is that okay? And then I'll just add a banner in here. No, this one is MailChimp. Oh, I created it. Okay, I thought that I should be creating it. So I'll just copy it in here, the reminder. Oh, okay. Let me go back. Oh, where is that? Okay. To, so I go back here. Oh my god. Why is it? How do you do that? Like, okay. Oh, so why is this? Oh my god, because it's centered. Okay. Like that? Is that okay? This one? Oh, okay. Okay. That one, is that okay? Okay. And now we add the banner. Hmm, this one. Yes, yes. Okay. Okay, is that good? Is this okay? I can send a test. I'll remove this one. Why is that I can't see it? Delete. Okay, send a test without the logo at the top. Should I remove it? Or maybe I just send a test. Okay, let me send a test with the logo. This one? Period? Okay. And then bold it? Okay. I will send you a test. Sorry, my internet is really slow today. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, admin. So I should replace it to your email. Let me see if I choose. Did you receive the? Okay, this is the test email. But it doesn't have the. Why is the? There's no banner on the test email. Why? Oh, okay. Gloria, did you receive the test email? Do you want me to remove the logo at the top? Can you? It's fine. Okay. So I have to go. So save and exit. This is all good. Okay, so we're set on the MailChimp email. So let me schedule it. Oh, I think this one is scheduled. Oh, it's scheduled Saturday, September 7th. ET. Yeah, I think it's Eastern time. Okay, so it's this is correct. ET Saturday. Okay, you have completed. Okay, confirm schedule. Okay, we're good to go with this one. So I'll just work with the changes in the video and the social media post. Okay, just let me know what are other tasks you have for me. Okay, bye. Oh, okay, okay. Yes, I have it like this one. Can you see my screen? Yeah. Okay, okay. The thumbnail. This should be okay. Okay, let me see. Um, let me. This is the first one. You don't like it. Oh, maybe this one. Oh, or this one. Or no. I haven't. I think I haven't created a thumbnail yet. Okay. Okay. This one. Okay, for the thumbnail. Okay. Number 4. Okay. Thank you. Have a great day, Isaiah and Jaja. Bye bye.